Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission clears Chivhayo on $100 million election tender scandal. Zaramira mashukubura panguva ino ZACC announced chiti Chivhayo was not involved in ZEC 2023 election money looting. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina zero mobile community. The Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission has announced that it has closed its investigation into Chivhayo over the controversial $100 million tender to supply election material for the 2023 general elections. The decision comes after investigators failed to obtain any evidence of a contractual relationship between Chivhayo and the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission. ZACC chairperson Michael Reza told journalists in a press briefing today that despite earlier claims and widespread public concern, there is no contract, no paper trail, no business transaction linking Chivhayo to ZEC. Reza recounted how the probe was launched following an anonymous tip-off and subsequent leaks, both in document and audios, that implicated Chivhayo and associates in alleged tender fraud. However, he said, ZEC itself formally told investigators that it had never engaged Chivhayo or his companies in any business transaction relating to the 2023 election materials. In court, the first thing we did was go to ZEC and request contracts. The official response was that no such contracts exist. ZEC has never done any business with the individuals mentioned, Reza said. He added that efforts were made to verify information in the public domain, including claims by Chivhayo himself, suggesting he was involved in supplying ballot paper, ink, and other materials through a shadowy deal, allegedly linked to the Ministry of Finance. But ZACC concluded that no legally binding documents support these claims, despite previous statements by Reza himself earlier this year, in which he said ZACC had 80 to 90% of the required evidence. He clarified today that those remarks referred to a separate investigation involving the presidential coup scheme, which has now resulted in the conviction of Chivhayo's close business partners, Mike Chimombe and Moses Mpofu, who were sentenced to a combined 27 years last week. Ndo mashuka ari kuda pangwa ine muri Zimbabwe ati kutaura zvakawanda, but mimi choya mucomment section meribodza pamusoro pecredibility yeZACC. Mutidze munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.